Hello VT students. Today we're going to be performing an experiment which is diffraction grating. But before we go through the experiment, remember before you have to come to the lab, you have to go through Blackboard. That means you go through the notes, you go through the pre-lab questions, then you view this video, then you do the pre-test, then you will be prepared for the experiment. So in front of me here, I have the apparatus required for us to perform an experiment in diffraction grating. This here is our light source with wavelength of 650 nanometers. Here I have our diffraction grating with a slit of 600 lines per millimeter. Here we have our own screen, and then this will be our optic bench. This will be our ruler. So what we're going to do today, the first thing you're supposed to do, according to your instructions, it says you must position the diffraction grating until you are able to see evenly spaced diffraction patterns on the screen. So I'm going to move the diffraction grating closer to the screen. You'll be able to see that there are evenly spaced bright fringes on the screen. If you observe closely, you'll be able to see that from all those bright fringes there, there's one in the center that is brighter than all of them. The one in the center will be your center fringe. So what you're going to do when you come to the lab, all you have to do, you are going to come up with a scale for your L, which will be here. So for example, you're going to put your diffraction grating at 17 centimeters, for instance, which means 17 centimeters will be your length. So the next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your ruler, you're going to measure from the center fringe, which is here in the middle, to the first bright fringe on the left-hand side. Then afterwards, you're going to take your ruler again, you measure from the center fringe to the first bright fringe on the right-hand side. So basically, what you're going to be working on, we're only going to focus on the first order. That's the reason why we're only observing the brighter fringe in the middle, the first bright fringe on the left-hand side, the first bright fringe on the right-hand side. So guys, basically, this is what you're going to do when you come to the lab. Please be prepared. I hope you have fun with the experiment. Don't forget to bring your pre-lab questions. Don't forget to go through the pre-test. All the best. Hope we meet very soon. Thank you.